Riaz is son of Shifa, having a master's degree in education, computer science, physics, and English. In 2012, I received the scholarship from the USA and went into New York, where I joined the American Modeling Teacher Association and STEM Teacher New York in Teacher College, Columbia University, where I worked hard for 4 years. My research was published in Harvard University. After returning Pakistan, I had the dream to bring a change in the education system of Pakistan and especially in STEM education. Recently, I received a small grant from the USA and made a plan to provide pre-service science teacher the training about what is a stimulation, what is a STEM education, what is importance of STEM education, modern teaching technique like interactive simulation, and for the producing the workforce in Pakistan. For this purpose, we start the first cycle in College of Education Satellite Town, where the Professor Daru Khan, the principal, Professor Malitaj, Professor Niaz, and other faculty members help us to complete this training. In the closing ceremony, the Professor Daru Khan said, in future, we need the people who have conceptual understanding instead of raw learning. Our second cycle was in University of Balochistan, where Professor Dr. Nasser, the chairman of Institute of Education Research, Professor Bushra, Professor Nadia, and other faculty members support and complete the training successfully. In the closing ceremony, the Professor Dr. Nasser said, the science is reality and it should be taught in real world. The third cycle was in Al-Hamd Islamic University of Balochistan, with Professor Naeem, Professor Dr. Urwa Javed, Professor Farman, and Dr. Fahim cooperated with us, and we completed the training. In the closing ceremony, the Professor Said Ahmed Khan, who was the chief guest of us, said, okay, we should introduce the STEM education and especially interactive simulation in our curriculum of the science. Our fourth cycle was in the Sardar Bahadur Khan University with Professor Dr. Zarina, Professor Dr. Farman Shah, Professor Dr. Alia, and others supported this training successfully. And in the closing ceremony, our chief guest was Professor Dr. Saida Nareem, and she said, we will introduce the certification and a PA program in STEM education in all these cycles. We awarded the certification to all the students, all the participation, and they appreciate them. And I'm thankful to the leadership of the Korea chapter alumni and especially the people of United States who provided funding for the successful of this training. Now we are wrote on the STEM education, and we will promote the STEM education in Pakistan, especially in Balochistan.